Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class 3. Hope you will be fine and safe at your homes. Today we will start our lecture with the quotation of the day, which is positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. So dear students, spread positivity and happiness around you. Let's start our today's lecture, which is answer these questions of the chapter A Kind-Hearted Boy. So dear students, take out your English LIT notebook, draw a margin line, write CW and mention date at the top of your page and write topic, which is a kind-hearted boy. Exercise number is 3. Answer these questions. Dear students, and underline your topic and subtopic also. And let's start our question answer, which is question number 1 is who was kind-hearted boy? Dear students, do you remember who was kind-hearted boy? Yes, we have read in the chapter a kind-hearted boy named was Abraham. So answer will be a kind-hearted boy name was Abraham. Or we can say Abraham was kind-hearted boy. Now question number 2 is where did he live? Yes, dear students, have you remembered where they lived? Yes, we have read and we have seen in the picture. He lived in a log cabin. We can see in this picture also. He lived in a log cabin on a little farm. So answer will be he lived in a log cabin on a little farm. Now question number 3 is why did his father sell the farm? Yes, what is the meaning of sell? Sell means give or hand over something in exchange for money is called sell. Yes, dear students, have you remembered what was the reason of selling the farm? Yes, we have read here his father sold the farm because the land was very poor and the land was not fertile to grow something. So he sold the farm. So answer will be his father sold the farm because the land was not fertile to grow something. Start question number 4, which is when did they set off to find a new home? Yes, dear students, have you remembered when did they set off to find a new home? Yes, we have read here when they started their journey, it was the end of winter season. So what will be the answer? The answer will be they set off to find a new home almost at the end of winter season. Now let's start question number 5, which is why was it a slow and tiresome journey? Yes, dear students, have you remembered why was their journey was slow and tiresome? Their journey was slow and tiresome because the condition of the road was not good in those days, and because of winter season there was ice, there was snow and slush of mud on the roads. Because of these reasons their journey was slow. So dear students, answer will be it was a slow and tiresome journey because the roads were deep in slush mud. And do you know what is the meaning of slush? Slush means partially melted snow or ice is called slush. So dear students, we have completed from 1 to 5 questions answers. I hope you all have understood very well because with the help of pictures and text we have understood all the question answers. So take care and Allah Hafiz. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class 3. Hope you will be fine. Dear students, before starting our lecture, I want to share a good saying with you, which is if you want light to come into your life, you need to stand where it is shining. So let's start our lecture. Dear students, today we will complete our remaining question answers of the chapter The Kind-Hearted Boy. Yesterday we have completed 1 to 5 question answers and today we will start from question number 6. So take out your English LIT notebook, draw a margin line, write CW, mention date, write topic, which is The Kind-Hearted Boy. And exercise number is 3. Answer these questions and you have to underline your topic and subtopic also. So dear students, let's start our question answers. We will start from question number 6, which is where did they stop to rest at night? Yes dear students, have you remembered when they were traveling where they stopped at night? Yes, we have read in the chapter at night they stopped beside a stream. Yes, when night came they stopped and beside a stream and made a fire. So, what will be the answer? The answer will be they stopped to rest beside a stream. Now, let's start question number 7, which is what pet had Ab brought with him? Yes, dear students, we can see in this picture also Abe had a puppy. So dear students, what will be the answer? The answer will be Abe had brought a puppy with him. Now we will start question number 8, which is how was the puppy left behind? Yes dear students, we had seen in the picture and we also have read in the chapter the puppy was enjoying the journey and he was chasing the rabbits and squirrels, and he did not notice that all the members had left him in ignorance. So the puppy was left behind in journey. Dear students, what will be the answer? The answer will be the puppy left behind because it was enjoying the journey and did not notice that all members had left him in ignorance. Now let's start question number 9, which is why did the little dog refuse to cross the stream? Yes, dear students, have you remembered what was the reason that dog was refusing to try to cross the stream? Yes, dear students, we can see here that the stream was covering with thin ice and the dog was afraid that he would fall through the thin ice while crossing the stream. So answer will be he refused as he was afraid that he would fall through the thin ice. Dear students, now we have to start question number 10, which is what did this kind-hearted boy become? Yes, dear students, what this boy became in his future. We have read in the chapter the kind-hearted boy Abraham Lincoln became one of the greatest presidents of the United States of America. So dear students, answer of question number 10 will be the kind-hearted boy became one of the greatest presidents of the United States of America. And it is really true saying that great people are always kind. So dear students, what should we do with others? We have learned that we should always be kind with others. Dear students, today we have completed all the question answers of the chapter and I hope you all have understood very well because I have explained you with the help of pictures and the text of the book. So take care and Allah Hafiz.